That's how she is looking now. Hey y'all, we got 5 guys today. I'm hoping that this is not mess my stomach up, because y'all, I was sick as a dog yesterday. So I'm trying their patty melt, and no, this ain't no extravagant mukbang where I got 10 patties on it. No tea, no shade. I'm just saying I ain't living like that. I can't afford 10 patties. So I got their patty melt, which came with a single patty on it, and then of course that Cajun fries. So let's get into it. I haven't had 5 Guys in a long time. That's how she is looking now. In hindsight, I do wish I would have got an extra patty and bacon at it, but it is what it is. I just wanted to try it. I do wish they had like a patty melt sauce like at Whataburger, but it's still good.